Antibacterial panel production line worksite. Antibacterial panel is a composite plate made of color-coated plate, stainless steel, aluminum alloy plate and other materials as the surface material. This one has unique dust-proof, anti-static, antibacterial and other effects. It is widely used in electronics, pharmaceutical, food, biology, aerospace, precision instrument manufacturing and scientific research and other clean engineering fields, which require harsh indoor environment. Antibacterial panel to do effective control of particles, harmful air, bacteria and other pollutants, to meet the requirements of product processing, and experimental research of precision, miniaturization, high purity and quality, and high reliability, so it is widely popular in specific projects. Contact us know more details.